YouTube? It's your boy Flossy. Today, I bought a 50K, man, and it's looking good. This is day one of the 50K. I'm gonna be documenting the whole journey until I get this payout. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna be showing y'all the trades I took today. We're gonna hop on the charts. Y'all gonna see that. Another thing, I'm gonna be going more into depth on my strategy, so y'all gonna be able to see how I trade and basically everything I look for entering a trade. First things first, I hop on to the higher time frame and I look for PD arrays that I can mark out for the morning. Today is Saturday and I did take these trades on Friday. I'm kind of slacking with the video, but yeah, I'm gonna have to go back a little bit in price section. There was an inverse fair value gap that recently caused, this should go far back, but yeah, it was an inverse fair value gap that recently caused a rejection on the higher time frame. And when it came back into that inverse fair value gap, I looked for some sort of rejection because, you know, since there was a big rejection out, there wasn't going to be much. I was already knowing. And yeah, as you can see, there's a white candle right here. This bearish candle was all the rejection it got on a higher time frame. But y'all know I trade on the 1 minute. So when I scaled down and it came in, I found me a nice little short. And when I scaled down, I look for a unicorn, which is basically a market structure shift to the downside, a retrace into a fair value gap, and bada bing bop boom, pow. I'm not gonna do that no more. Anyways, my entry on this trade, inverse fair value gap entry, because as you can see, it's fair value. So that's an inverse and an inverse into, you know what I'm saying? So I barbecue chicken this trade, that's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, waited for that retrace, tapped in, entered, boom. As soon as I entered, it shot straight down. I took out. I was like, oh, that was a big ass reaction. I'm not going, you know what I'm saying, waste no time. And yeah, this was a 30-second trade. This was a rack. This was a rack. I'm gonna be real with y'all. And this risk to reward, this is not the risk to reward. I swear to God, this was not the risk to reward. My risk to reward was like this, above this gap. Yeah, that, I don't know what that is. That was not the risk to reward, chat. Anyways, yeah, I saw the S&T, saw the market structure shift, which is also change of state of delivery. Same thing in my eyes. I saw the change of state of delivery. Inverse fair value gap. I could have entered off the inverse fair value gap being created, but I always wait for a retrace, and that's just how my system is, and that's how I'm gonna keep it. I got the retrace, boom, 30-second trade, just like that. And as you can see, I use S&T. S&T is a big part of my trades. If there's no S&T, I'm most likely not taking a trade. Right here, I saw that tap again, and I seen this as price sweeping out internal liquidity. So I seen breakout. This is the exact same thing that happened. The S&T was a little bit stronger though, but it's the exact same thing that happened over here. No retrace, couldn't enter. One of my friends took it because they traded off the inverse fair value gap being created, but I don't, so I didn't take this trade. So yeah, straight to my TP. No entry. It happens, but you know, we just live through it. I marked all this stuff before. I told myself, if I see price tap into these and I see a unicorn out, I'm gonna enter. And that's basically what I do with some S&T, of course. So basically, my strategy is just straight S&T unicorn. That's really it. Higher time frame, but that's every strategy. Everybody gotta have a higher time frame tap. And if you're not, you're doing it wrong, I promise. So to change the state of delivery, if you need more instructions on that, I reckon that you look it up yourself, because I'm not in that teaching state yet. It might seem like it, but all the stuff I'm teaching you, dig deeper to it on your own, yourself, trust me. And yeah, this trade was also some barbecue chicken, man. I don't gotta say too much. The only thing I regret about this trade was I didn't use the standard deviation, because as you can see, this one aligns with the point of reversal too. But I don't know why I didn't. And I usually aim for 2, like right here, I aim for the number 2 in standard deviation. And standard deviation is a big part of my strategy. I always use standard deviation. And right here, As you can see, if I would have held it to the actual 2 instead of holding it to 1, and the reason why I held it to this one was because in my eyes, all I needed was a risk to reward to ratio, and I, you know what I'm saying, I would have been good, but I'm stupid. I could have got this, yeah. So that's, actually no. I did lose a trade, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
But I'm gonna be real with y'all. The trade I lost, I don't remember where it was or like what happened. I'm pretty sure I was just pushing my luck, and yeah, it ended bad. But with all of my trades, I de-risk after every winning trade, so I only lost $80. Like on this trade, I risked 500, I made 1,000, simple. This trade, I risked $250, $250, and I made 500. Pretty sure. Yeah, that's the risk to reward too. I made 500, and then my dumb ass had to come back in the market. You know what I'm saying? Well, I never left it. I was thinking, you know what I'm saying, since it's a good day, I'm gonna keep going and milk the fuck out of it. But that's just not what happened. And ain't nothing wrong with that. It's just that I should have probably stuck to my only 2 days, 2 trades a day. So I broke a rule. I'm not gonna lie, I broke a rule. But the thing is, in the past, I've done it where I took 3 trades and it was actually successful. It just didn't work out this time. But yeah, man. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all on day 2, which is probably gonna be Monday. I'm going on a cruise later on in the week, so y'all might see some cruise trading. Hopefully I get to. I'm going on Thursday, so yeah. I'm gonna see y'all in day 2. Hopefully I pass this challenge, and good luck to all y'all other traders out there.